How to fix Wanderer creation limit reached error in Tower of Fantasy. 1. Exit the Tower of Fantasy game and then try connecting to an alternative, free or smooth, server. Otherwise, you need to wait until the desired server is a little quieter. Note, if you do not see the load symbol on the server, you may need to update your game first. 2. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide, this allows you to get different servers or regions. 3. Try an alternate DNS address. 4. Try the Chinese version of TOF so that you can change your region.